How to customize checkout page in WooCommerce. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize checkout page in WooCommerce. So first of all, just go ahead and log into your account, and after that, go to the WooCommerce checkout fields, and there you will see the three sets of field you can edit: billing, shipping, and addition. And there you will see a column in which you will see name, type, label, placeholder, position, and the types of the custom field that it supports, like text, password, text area, select, multi-selection, etc. In the billing and shipping section, there are core field highlighted in purple. If you want to disable the field, some core fields have option disabled and which cannot be changed. With those limitation in mind, you can change the label and position of the field, disable them by ticking the checkbox, and after that just re-enable core field by checking the row and pressing the enable button. From the button of the field table, just select the add field button, and once a field is added, a blank row will appear. Enter your text and preference and click on save change. So this is how you will be able to customize your checkout page in WooCommerce. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.